This video is about accessing and installing the data analysis tool for Excel 2010. Now, before we talk directly about that, I need to point out some differences between pre-2007 versions of Excel and post-2007 versions of Excel. One difference is in how you install the data analysis tool. And this video will show you how to install the data analysis tool for Excel 2010, but it won't apply to any other versions. We will also be showing you later on how to create a regression chart, and I will shoot a video specifically for version 2010 on how to create regression charts. There are two other changes, though, that I'm not going to reshoot the videos for. You're going to have to remember what these changes are and just do it differently when you see them on the videos. The first of those is accessing the data analysis tool. How once it's installed, how do you just access it when you want to use it? And the second thing is, after you get the results from the data analysis, how do you format it? Those two things are done differently in 2010 than they were done before 2007. And I'll show you what those differences are. Pre-2007, what you would do if you wanted to access the data analysis is you would click on Tools, and then you would go down and click on Data Analysis. So you click on the Tool pull-down menu, and then click on Data Analysis. However, on the 2010 version, and all other 2000 that come 2007 or later, instead what you do is you click on the Data tab, and then you go over here to the Analysis group, and in the Analysis group you're going to click on Data Analysis. So again, when you're watching the videos and the videos tell you to click on Tools and Data Analysis, you're going to have to remember, no, on your version you click on Data, then Data Analysis. No matter which one you use, no matter what version of Excel you use, once you've done the click on Data Analysis, you will get the same Data Analysis tool. And issues the same no matter what version of Excel you have. But then, when you finally get the answers to your data analysis, you'll have to format them. And that does differ from version to version. Pre-2007, to format your answer, you would go to Format, then you would go to Column, and then you would go to Auto-Fit Selection. However, in your version, Excel 2010, instead, you click on Home, then you go to the Cells group and look at Format, and click on the down arrow under Format, and then click on Auto-Fit Column Width. So whenever the videos tell you to go to Format, Column, Auto-Fit Selection, you must remember instead on your version, you go to Home, then you go to Format, and then you go to Auto-Fit Column Width. The first thing we should do now that we see those differences is look to see if you already have data analysis installed. If you do, that's it. We can just close down this video and you don't need to watch the rest. So the way you check that is you click on the Data tab. Again, you look for the Analysis group, and then you look to see if you have Data Analysis in the Analysis group. If you do, you're done. If you don't have analysis, or you have analysis but you don't have the Data Analysis tool, then you need to install it. And here's how you install it in the Excel 2010 version. You click on the green File tab. The green File tab, And then you go down and you click on Options. That will bring up a new dialog box that looks something like this. And on this, you just go down on the left side to where you see Add-ins, and you click on Add-ins. And that will change the way the right side of the dialog box looks. Once the right side of the dialog box looks something like this view shown, then what you do is you go down to the Manage section at the bottom, and you make sure it says Excel Add-ins. If you don't see Excel Add-ins, click on the down arrow, look for Excel Add-ins, and pick it. Once you've got Excel Add-ins showing here, then you just click on the Go button, and that'll bring up a whole new dialog box, which looks like this. By the way, this looks the same no matter what version of Excel you have. But what you do is you look for the box to the left of where it says Analysis Toolpack. Now notice there's not only Analysis Toolpack, but there's an Analysis Toolpack VBA. I don't care about the VBA one. What we care about is the one that does not say VBA. So you put a check mark in that by clicking in the box, and a check mark will appear, and it should look like this over here. Once you've got that, then all you do is you click on OK, go get a cup of coffee, and give it time to install. When it is done installing, you should see Data Analysis in the Analysis group under the Data tab. So you look under Data tab, in the Analysis group, you should have Data Analysis. That tells you installed it correctly. So that's all there is to this.